Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Escape brake light. This easy method will save you time and money. First, you will need to gather a few simple tools. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new 2-filament replacement bulb. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's get started by opening your vehicle's rear liftgate. This gives you clear access to the tail light assembly. You will see 2 retaining screws on the inside edge of the light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the bulbs. The brake light bulb is typically the top one. Gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket. Then, firmly push your new replacement bulb straight into the socket until it is seated properly. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall the 2 retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.